Welcome to JH. Today, we are exploring a powerful platform for transcription and captioning called Happy Scribe. If you have ever wanted to earn money as a transcriber or subtitle creator, this guide is for you. Happy Scribe is a leading service for converting audio and video into text across numerous languages. It isn't just for clients. It is a great freelance opportunity. Major organizations like the BBC, Spotify, Forbes, and the United Nations rely on it. If you want to get paid for these services, Happy Scribe is the place to be. I will explain exactly how to start earning. First, let's look at the supported languages. Happy Scribe offers a vast selection, making it a perfect work-from-home option if you are fluent in one or more. They cover various dialects like American, British, and Australian English, plus Spanish, French, Italian, Canadian French, and many others. Knowing multiple languages increases your job prospects and income potential. If you do not speak these specific languages, other platforms might suit you better, but for many, this is a great fit. Starting your journey is simple. Visit the Happy Scribe website and locate the Sign Up button. You do not need special degrees, just a valid email and password to create your account. Once registered, your dashboard will show available tasks. The interface is very intuitive, allowing you to browse transcription and captioning jobs easily. Whether the project is short or long, the process remains straightforward, and their support team is available if you encounter issues. As you complete tasks and improve your rating, more work will become available. You can apply for various roles, including transcriber, subtitle writer, or translator. These positions involve converting media into text or translating existing scripts. Pay depends on the language and task difficulty. For instance, basic English transcription usually pays less than working with foreign languages or creating video subtitles. As you gain expertise, you can secure higher-paying assignments. To find these roles, scroll to the Freelancers section at the bottom of their homepage. This area lists all current openings for transcription, subtitling, and translation. Each post details the required languages, pay rates, and workload. When you find a match, click to apply. You will provide info on your skills and experience. Do not worry if you are a beginner. They value honesty and a willingness to learn. You will likely take a quick proficiency test covering grammar and spelling to ensure you are matched with the right tasks. Be accurate and honest during this assessment. Once approved, you can begin immediately. You choose projects that fit your schedule and skills. The platform is flexible, allowing you to work at your own pace. Regarding pay, English transcription typically earns about 85 cents per audio minute. However, languages like German or Italian can reach €1.20 per minute. Subtitling and translation are more specialized and pay between €1.70 and €3.50 per minute. A major benefit is Happy Scribe's AI, which generates initial drafts. Instead of starting from zero, you simply edit the AI's work for errors, making the process much faster. Top part-time freelancers can earn between €1,500 and €2,000 monthly, depending on their speed and the complexity of their tasks. To maximize your income, focus on accuracy. Happy Scribe prioritizes quality over quantity. Delivering perfect work builds a reputation that leads to more jobs. Pay attention to grammar and timing, and always proofread. As your workload grows, stay organized with to-do lists to meet deadlines without getting overwhelmed. Do not overextend yourself, as quality might suffer. Use the AI tool to your advantage to increase productivity. If possible, learn a new language to open more doors. Remember, building a freelance career takes time. Start with smaller tasks, get used to the system, and gradually take on bigger projects. Consistency and quality are the keys to high earnings. That is how you can start making money with Happy Scribe. It is an excellent choice for anyone with strong language skills and an eye for detail.